Hey folks, glad you're here. Today we're talking about two types of potential energy. It's going to be awesome. The first type of potential energy that we're going to talk about is gravitational energy. Now, you may think gravity, and you're right. This is part of what gives gravitational energy its thing. So gravitational energy has to do with an object's position above the earth. So it's its position based on gravity. So when something is up top, it's going to have a lot more gravitational energy. As it falls, that gravitational energy is going to be transformed from a potential form of energy or a stored energy into kinetic energy, the moving energy, until it comes down to rest. So as it's falling, the amount of gravitational energy is changing from a lot to a little bit to none. Once it is on the ground, stopped, there is no potential energy left. So is gravitational energy falling? No, it is not the same as falling. So it's going to be based on an object's position. So for example, this pin, if I hold it up here, the pin is not falling at this point. It's not moving. The energy that it has, it's stored energy. It is gravitational energy based on its position. So it's based on its position. It has the potential of falling. As it falls, once I release it, that gravitational energy, the potential energy, is being transformed into kinetic energy, mechanical kinetic energy, the energy of motion. As it falls, it's that kinetic energy, and the amount of gravitational energy that it has is lessening as it gets closer and closer to the Earth. Okay. Remember, potential energy is stored up, so it's that stored energy that is there based on its position. The next type of energy, this is our second type of energy that we're going to talk about today, is elastic energy. This is energy that is stored in an elastic way. Now, when you think of elastic, the first thing I think of is a rubber band. Rubber bands are elastic, but there's other things that actually have elastic energy too. Things like springs, which can be compressed or stretched. So compression is where that spring is being pushed down. I might think of this as like the shocks in a car that actually compress as the car moves over bumps. And they also can be stretched. So compressed and stretched. And these are ways of storing energy in an elastic way. A golf ball also has elastic energy in it, okay? So we're going to look here at this YouTube video that looks at compressed energy as well. Compressed elastic. So folks, I'm going to put the moment of impact video on here, and there's a few other videos that we can watch. Check out